Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to download and install Nvidia graphics driver for laptop or desktop. So very easy guys. If you want to download and install Nvidia graphics driver for laptop or desktop, firstly open any Chrome browser or Google and type here and after click on OK. And click on official driver and products type select it. After click on Dropbox, products services, here first at 1000 services, first at 1020 and select window bit, download type game ready driver GRD, language English USA. Click on search, click on download. After click on download and save. Wait for file. Now running download. So guys, after installed file and running Nvidia graphics driver for laptop or PC. So very easy and simple method. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.